Hello learners, welcome to the comprehensive video course on Istio, the powerful service mesh for orchestrating and securing microservices. In today's fast-paced world of cloud-native applications and distributed systems, Istio has emerged as a game changer, offering you the tools and capabilities needed to simplify complex microservices architectures and enhance their resilience, security, and observability. Istio is an open source project that provides a robust infrastructure layer for your services, enabling you to manage traffic, enforce security policies, and gain deep insights into your application's behavior, all while maintaining developer agility. This video course is designed to take you on a journey from the fundamentals to the advanced features of Istio. Whether you are a seasoned DevOps engineer, a developer, or an IT professional seeking to enhance your microservices skills, this course has something valuable to offer. What you will learn in this course, we'll start with Istio Essentials, or we'll start with the basics, helping you to understand the core concepts of Istio. In the next section, we will move and learn more about Envoy Proxy, which is an open source, high performance edge and service proxy. After installing Istio on a Minikube, we will learn more about on the traffic management of your microservice architecture. We will also learn about observability tools and techniques, including telemetry, logging, and distributed tracing. This helps to gain deep insights into your application's behavior. Last but not least, in the security section, we will dive into Istio's robust security features that includes MTLS, RBAC, and authentication policies. In the troubleshooting section, we will look into some troubleshooting aspects of Istio. Why does Istio matter? As the complexity of modern applications continues to grow, Istio has become a crucial tool in the toolkit of developers and operators. It empowers you to deploy, manage, and secure microservice-based applications with confidence, no matter the scale or complexity. Join us on this exciting journey as we delve deep into the world of Istio. Let's get started. What are the prerequisites for this course? You should have minimal experience using Minikube, AWS EKE, or GKE. Mac or Linux systems are highly recommended, though this also can work on Windows systems. You should have basics of Kubernetes. Anyone with the experience of cloud, DevOps, infrastructure engineer will be able to grasp the concepts which is discussed in this course. This course is designed for people who is interested to know more about Istio and who have general interest in Kubernetes security and wish to explore Istio's capability in depth. Kubernetes users who wants to learn more about service mesh.